Babies, the lace color is brown. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today is another hair review. It's a wig review as usual. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. Hey, thank you. I love this. Ooh, I love this thing. It's so gorgeous. I love this. They added two hair pans, the pink one and this one. I love the two. It's body weight 4x4 lace front wig, natural 26 inches, is 180 density. I'm going to link all the details about this unit on the description box. Look at this 4x4, came with baby hairs. See this? The lace color is brown. You can see, and the hairline spray plucked. Let's install this wig.
My jolie, oh my jolie. You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parle mais t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi? Whoa, yo, wall up. You can't even get the scars up. For us, I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you're forgetting all about us. Oh, my jolie, oh my jolie. Where you been? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. This is called your bluffing. Made you something, now you talking. I call you bluffing. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Oh, my jolie, oh my jolie. Girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something. Now you talking. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Cool it off. I don't know how to cool it off. My jolie, oh my jolie.
wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So I'm going to lose this from it. We better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Ah yeah, eh. Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I've been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love, our love. You forgetting all about us, oh. My jolie, oh my jolie. Where are you when I need you the most? You still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something. Now you talking, telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off?
Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to hit on that subscribe button. Join the Gorgeous family, okay? And if you like this video, please support your girl by clicking on the like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.
But it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait, c'était pour toi. Sur le